Look guys, at this time the Laoti river is becoming so dry up now guys. That's why not so much getting rain now guys, that's why. And also lockdown happen now guys, that's why. Look, at this time you will get to see only stones and little bit water. Look, and you will get to see so many different types of stone around this place and sandy place, and at this time the sandy are very nice to enjoy. Look guys, at this time the weather is very hot and sunny and windy like this. Hello guys, at this time I'm here in the Laoti bridge. Look guys, at this time the weather is very hot and lovely, and look guys, at this time the weather is very lovely and clear guys and sunny, and at this time I'm just here in the Laoti bridge to see how the people are catching fish. At this time look, no man guys, because lockdown happened now guys, that's why lot of man, nothing happened now at this time because Corona happened guys, that's why people are not coming at this Laoti river to fish. Look, what a beautiful place guys. Look guys, water is constantly flowing here. Look guys, not water flowing here because lockdown happened now guys. Look, and this Laoti bridge is very beautifully maintained by the irrigation department. Look guys, what a beautiful road guys. Look, and at this time the weather is very lovely and clear guys. Anyway guys, thank you till then.